There's the birds camping in Jackadgery Caravan Park with birds. You can see the bird. I don't know what type of bird it is. Got the radio going, so I don't want to get done for copyright. Looking at this bird. See if I can zoom in. There we go. Whoa, bit shaky. We'll zoom out. Oh, it's gone. There's the view. I'll show you. Oh, the radio's on, so I've got to keep talking. According to it, you've got to keep talking. There's a football game on. I'm listening to the football game. That's my sofa bed. That's my sofa bed. But I slept on that last night. Here's our camp. We'll go for a walk over to the camp kitchen. Here's the camping ute. This is in pro mode on Vivo phone. So yeah, we're camping in Jackadgery. We'll just have a look at the camp kitchen. It's got a bit of a shake to it. I don't have the selfie stick. The selfie stick I bought had the wrong connector. This is the camp kitchen. See the camp kitchen? Shower block there.